Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's super great having you guys here today. It's really great to do a video for you today. So yes guys. So basically if you're new to my channel, what I do here is basically share with you guys basically how I earn a little money on the side by using get paid two sides, money making apps, also trading platform, and also stocks and crypto. Like basically guys, I just share with you how I personally make a little money on the side, and I hope you find value in it. If you do, go ahead and click that like button, and also if you're new to my channel, go ahead and subscribe, and also click that bell icon to get notified whenever I post a new video. So couple things I want to share with you today. So the first one is my sweat coin. So sweat coin, they do have the limited promotion that they have. So basically is they're offering 15 percent on your growth token. So they call it the triple 15 jar. So basically what I'm doing guys, I'm just making the most of it. For me, I think it's just better to put my token into something that is growing, which they basically tell you that it is not guarantee, but it's just a slim um guarantee that you won't get your money. So basically they're saying that you're more likely to get your tokens back. So yes guys, so but you know already, in everything that you do when it comes to earn online, you have to measure the risk and the reward. So yes guys, I have a little, I made like I made like 1,000 and something step today. So I have a little bit of earning. But guys, so I'm gonna open a jar right now. As you can see at the top, it says create a growth jar, creating a growth jar. So I have 3.4, so I have 3.4 sweat token, and I'm gonna put that in a triple 15 jars, so 15% per year. So that's what it is. And as you guys can see that it's gonna be ending on December the 2024. So yes, so they have this some things to keep in mind, which I mentioned before, that there is a, you know, measure your risk, reward. So just to keep that into consideration. What I want to say also, that all the links that I discussed in the description down below if you're interested. This is not financial advice. I'm just sharing guys, like just watch it and just smile. Just yeah, just sharing. Okay, so that's done. So what I want to say also is that um I have on my health and fitness portfolio, my health and fitness income. So basically I have the sweat coin, I have the optimity app, and I do have the win walk. So in with the win walk now guys, for me to cash out some earnings, it's gonna take me a minimum of 12,500 coin. I really am eyeing this Amazon gift $10 gift card. Trust me, I'm really am having my eye on it. So I'm just like about 3,500 coins away. So I'm really happy about that. It's take me a while to earn to just reach here. So I think this year I will be able to get a chance, God's willing, I will be get a chance to cash out. So yeah, yeah. So I just want to show you guys that. So yeah. The next thing that I want to show you guys is my Payeer app. So you guys know was cashing out like last year 2021 and 2. I was cashing out all the time. I was cashing out all the time on my Payeer app. So in the end, I'm gonna show you guys where I was able to earn my where I basically go to earn and my Payeer app. So yes guys, so I use the Givvy apps. I'm gonna show you guys all of them that I use, and also links in the description down below if you're interested. So on this app guys, you're basically able to buy and sell a lot of stuff. Like you can see, you have euro, you have UPs, crypto, you have cryptos, which is Bitcoin, Ethereum, Litecoin, Dash, Bitcoin Cash, Doge, um Tether, Ripple, Dogecoin, and also Tron. So they have a little bit here to go around. So what I'm doing personally, because I have been buying spots. I think I mentioned that in a video, in the previous video. So I have been purchasing my spot cryptocurrency, and as you guys already know, I am a swing trader or a investor. So I buy and I hold. I'm not the day trader or the scalp trader. I'm really not. I don't know how to handle it. So I can. I just like look at the trend and I know that it's going long, so I just gonna pick up. I look at the trend it's going and know that I just go and sell it. That's how I do it, and it's been working for me. I have no problem with it. So yeah. So when I'm saying I'm buying for a long term. I'm not just buying to just sell tomorrow or whatever. No. More like an investor, right? And I think because I started in stocks, so I just basically do what I do in stocks with crypto. I just buy it and hold it, and when it goes up, like really, really goes up, where I'm comfortable with it, I just sell it. So that's basically me. And yeah, so that's me personally. So yeah. So as you can see, I cash out 9 cents. I have a ton more to cash out. So I'm gonna show you guys apps that I use now. So yes guys. So if I go to my Givvy active income, so here, so it's 482,816. So there's 16 app right here guys, 16 apps. So I've been using all these 16 apps. So yeah, I'm not gonna go into them. If you're interested in to see my video and my in-depth and all of this, the you can go on my channel and just type in the word like any Givvy app. I have the full playlist and all of them. You can go ahead and see, and you can see my cash out. So I not just show you guys how it works, I show you guys like cash out. I do cash out. So yeah. So what I want to say to you about these Givvy apps is that they do increase their payout threshold, and some of these, like most of them, they do increase their payout. So 2020, 21 and 2022 is when I really started with the Givvy apps, and the minimum to cash out was 19 cents, but now the minimum and some of them is 35 cents, and like one is at around 19 cents, and then and the other and the next other one is $5. So I'm in the $5 one. Let me see here. I'm gonna show you. I think I'm like halfway there. I think I'm like $2 and something. So here, right? So you can see I am just 40% there. So yes guys, so it's basically $5 to cash out. I'm at $2.04. No, I don't know if I'm gonna able to cash out this year with this one. So yeah, but I want to show you guys. This one is $5, and most of them are like 35 cents. So yeah, and I mainly cash them out in my Airtm, Perfect Money, or my Payeer app. Those are the cash out method that I use. So yes guys. So guys, this is just my update and basically how I've been earning online. I've been cashing out daily, like guys, with this survey. I'm telling you, I've been cashing out daily when it comes to surveys. Woo! I'm telling you, but this those cash out, I'm not even recording them. I'm so overwhelmed with them. I like I'm just cashing out because I'm like, I'm not keeping my money in these apps. I'm cashing out. So because of that, I'm not able to make a video about the cash out because I'm just as I as I um as I reach the threshold, I'm cashing out. So yeah. So guys, if you're new to my channel, basically I said before in the beginning, what I do here is basically share with you how I personally earn online. And if that's something you're interested in, go ahead and just click the like button. If there's any question or anything, comment down below, let me know. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye guys. So guys, always before I go, I want to say, always remember guys, never forget. Keep smiling and keep shining. Bye guys.